Good day, fellow crafters. Welcome back to the Pixi Dust Designs YouTube channel. I'm Tamara, the card creator, and today we're crafting a pyramid gift box. This project is perfect for any occasion and adds a lovely touch to your gift giving. If you love DIY projects and want to learn more about card making and gift creations, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. For this project, I'll be using the high-quality dies from Pixi Dust Designs' August 2024 release called Pyramid Box Die Set. In the interest of time, I have already cut my paper, so we're ready to jump right into action. I love using this beautiful Tiffany blue color. It speaks volumes to any girl out there, as we all know what that beautiful Tiffany box means. I decided to jazz up my Tiffany box just a little bit by adding glitter cardstock, just to add that little extra oomph. My glitter cardstock is a fine glitter which will not come off in your hands, and I thought this would be perfect to add as accents to my pyramid box. So I placed each of the triangles onto the top of my pyramid. These line up quite easily, as you only just need to center them into each of the triangles. There are score lines, so it's easy for your eyes to follow. After I was done with the top of the Tiffany box, I wanted to go and add some accents to the side. Now, for each of the ends, there are curves, so you want to make sure that you get the curve to the right end. The two center rectangles are the same, so it doesn't matter what order those go in, as long as they're in the center. And again, on this last rectangle, I'll point to the end so you can see how you need to line it up, just to make sure you have it going in the right direction. After that dried, I wanted to do my center element. Now, you could use this as more like a pop-up, so put some foam dots or whatever here in the center. But for me, I wanted my element to be flat. And again, using that beautiful Tiffany blue color. I then placed my diamond color cardstock on top just to add that little bit of glitz that all of us love. And I wanted my sentiment to be on that Tiffany blue and right in the center. For my sentiment, I was kind of inspired by the Harry Potter theme. So one of the sayings is, after all of this time. So I stamped that for my sentiment. And the bottom of my pyramid box, I said, always. Now, on to assembly the main part of our pyramid box. So there are scored tabs, which are very, very easy to line up. You just need to glue each of the ends together and hold for just a few seconds so that the pieces can adhere. After that's done, we're going to want to fold the top down and glue that securely. This gives it a nice finished look. After the bottom portion is completed, we're now onto the top. And again, there are little tabs where you will just adhere the pieces together. Hold for a few seconds. Voila, you're good to go. And now our box is complete. We can just line up our pieces, push in on the bottom just a hair so everything goes together quite easily. How cute is that box? So adorable. And again, the sentiment, after all this time and always. Such an adorable set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crafting tips, design ideas, and fun tutorials. As always, click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. If you try making these gift boxes at home, be sure to share your creations with us on social media using hashtag Pixi Dust Creations. We love seeing your unique designs and ideas. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.